This is going to be a quick video how to do some DIY skate covers. You take a pair of jeans, preferably stretchy denim, or you can take some leggings, stockings, or whatever. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it downward. This will be the part that will be the top of your skate cover that goes in your ankle, calf area. Try to cut to a nice part where you see it spread the widest, and then afterwards you just have some shorts, you know. I should be doing this better, but I'm just trying to make this very quick because people keep asking me. So I don't care about making it all fancy for you, just giving the people what they desire. I'll cut across. Like I just stated, I'm doing this very rushingly, but it's that easy. So boom, cut it. Now I got some shorts, and you can wear it together too. Like you wear the things to match your shorts if you want. Now I got shorts. I was tired of those and leggings. So boom, this is pretty much our DIY skate cover. Now let me show you what you do next. Okay, so what you do next is take the pants leg and you put it in your foot like this. Y'all see where we're going, right? So you pull this up, take a skate, put your skate on, boom, pull this down, and pull this down, and boom, skate cover, boom. Yeah, it's that easy. So, I'm gonna wear these tonight, and bye.